Cailey Z. Dam is full sister to 1.55 m Zandor Z. Cailey Z was bred from the internationally 135-140 level competing mare Zandor Z, who is the full sister to the 155 level performer Zandor Z. Grand Dam Calvera Z has also foaled the 155 level show jumper Corona Z. This dam line has produced 150 and 160 level performers like Comedian, Clio Z, Garmex Z and Cello Z as well. Sire Cape Coral RBF Z has showcased his qualities in international classes up to 1.50 m level and is becoming an outstanding progenitor. From his first crop, offspring such as La Luna Especial and Lollipop are already following in his footsteps at 1.50 m level.